Hi, I'm going to show you how we are going to take the reading inventory and why we take it. The reading inventory is an assessment tool that we use to measure reading comprehension, and it shows a score as a Lexile level, and it's adaptive to your performance. You will be reading a short passage, and for each passage, you'll be answering some questions. Then it will give us our score between these numbers. Why do we take this? Your Lexile score will increase as you grow as a reader. We will use it to set goals. Teachers also use it for classroom placement and instruction. And we determine whether or not a reading class is a needed extra support for you. When you log in, which I'll show you in a few slides, you will see this. What kinds of books? Pick 3. It will actually read the directions to you about reading the passage and completing the sentence that you read. Here's what a passage looks like and a question. Notice here you can change the font size for those that need to see a little better or the contrast, but don't let this distract you because we're focused on picking the word that fits the best. Let's say you come across one and you have no idea. You are allowed 3 skips that won't count against your score. Just so you know, while you're taking this or before, just make sure you stay relaxed. It's just one assessment for our reading skill. Make sure you're in an area with a lot of distractions or noise. While you're taking the RI, you're not allowed to be on any other places that have a dictionary or thesaurus or any other tools. You are expected to read it on your own. Make sure that only you are doing it. Remember, this is your score, not someone else's. And don't forget that you have up to 3 skips that you can use that will not be a penalty and affect your score. So make sure you use them. You will answer about 20 to 30 questions and make sure you take your time. The questions will get a little bit harder as you progress through the test, but we want to see what you can do. Don't forget about those 3 skips again. And when you end the test, you'll receive a number, and that's your Lexile score. Write it down, and then you can look through your personal book list. All right. Okay, I'm going to show you how to log in to your RI test. First thing you need to do is you need to go to your portal. You can go to it by using the bookmarks if you're on your Chromebook, and you can click on the portal here. Or you can type in Granite Portal, click on the first link. Here to log in, you're going to use the same login that you use to get on your Chromebook or computer. It's going to be your student number and the same password. It will take a second as it logs in. Now the tricky part is when we get to this, the login will be a little bit different. You'll have options right here, and you may not see the one that you want to. So you might have to hit the search button, and you're going to type in reading. Oh, look, it popped up. Click on reading inventory. And this is where we need to look at our username. So you'll need to do your username as your student number, your 96 or 97 number, whatever it starts with. And your password is your first initial and last initial plus your student number. So if your name is John Doe, it's going to be a capital J, a capital D, and then your student number. You'll type in, again, your student number here, your password, which is the capital letter of your first name, the capital letter of your last name, and then your student number, and click sign in. And then that's when you will see this, and then you can get started and go through. Remember to take your time, and good luck.